apply the Impress press-on nails. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for new videos every week. I am absolutely obsessed with my nails. I love my nails being painted. I love my nails being nice. I love going to get my nails done. Several months ago, I came across the Impress press-on nails and absolutely loved them. I did a whole entire review of these press-on nails that I will link down below in the description. But today I'm going to share with you a tutorial of how you apply these nails, as well as my tips for getting the best wear out of them. All the items I mentioned along with the nails will be linked down below in the description, so if you see something that you like, click down below to grab it for yourself. Step one is to start with clean and cut or filed nails. This is just a step that I personally take to prep my nails in order to put these Impress nails on. So I usually have polish on my nails, so I'm going to make sure that I remove all of the polish and then I like to cut them down. I don't like to start out with my nails being super long whenever I am putting these nails on. I like them to be nice and short. Step two is to push back your cuticles. The Impress nail package comes with an orange wood stick that you can use to push back your cuticles. I personally like to use a cuticle cream or a cuticle remover. My two favorites are Hoover's Choice, which is a cuticle cream that conditions your cuticles and your nails while you use it, or the Pink Creamy Cuticle Remover. So I'll apply one of these to my cuticles and rub it in, and then push back my cuticles with a cuticle pusher. I feel like this just works a little bit better than using the orange wood stick alone. And if you're not using a cuticle remover, you might have a lot of extra cuticle that accumulates once you push it back, and you might want to go in with a cuticle trimmer to trim that up. Step three is to find the right size for each nail. So what I like to do is kind of dump out the nails on whatever surface I'm working on, and then I will try on different nails until I find the right size for each nail. While I'm doing this, I also like to lay them out in order on the table. That way, whenever I go to put them on, it's easy to know which one goes on each nail. Now, one tip for you that will save you time in the future and something that I have done is that each of the nails in the package has a small number on it, and the number corresponds to the size of the nail. What I do is I created a note in my phone where I keep track of what number goes on each nail, and I just put them in order for each hand. That way I can quickly grab the numbers that I need and I don't have to sort through all of the nails in order to find the right one. Another tip and something that Impress says to do is that if you are in between sizes on a nail, it's better to go for just a little bit smaller than too big. A lot of the packages also come with an accent nail or a few different accent nails. If you don't like to use an accent nail, then don't feel like you have to. Most of the time whenever I do use these nails, I don't actually use the accent nails. There are enough of the other nails in order to use just the same color on all 10 of your fingers. Step four is to use the included alcohol wipe to clean and prep your nails. So you just open up the wipe and then wipe it across all of your nails. This gets off any debris and oil off of your nails. That way the Impress nails have a clean surface to stick on better. The next step is to apply your nails. When applying these nails, it's best to work starting from your pinkies and then work your way into your thumbs and do your thumbs last. What you will do is peel off the clear plastic backing on the nail, place it down on your nail, and then you are going to press to activate the adhesive. The adhesive on these nails is pressure activated. So you want to spend some time on each nail making sure that you apply pressure so that the adhesive activates. When you are pressing down on the nails, you want to start at the center of the nail and then work your way out. And that's why you want to leave your thumbs for last, because you're going to be applying pressure to all of your nails with your thumb. So it's best to leave those for last. Whenever I am done applying all of the nails, I do like to go back and apply pressure for a second time on each of the nails. Because the adhesive is pressure sensitive and pressure activated, I like to make sure that it is pressed down firmly and has a chance for the adhesive to spread across the whole entire nail. That way that they will stick for longer. The next step is totally optional, but it's something that I do every time I use these nails, and that is to file down the nails. For me, the way that these nails come, they are a little bit long for my personal taste. So I do file down each of the nails so that they are a little bit shorter. I just don't like them starting out super duper long, and that way as I continue to wear them and they grow out, they're not crazy long by the end of the 2 weeks. After that, you are completely done and ready to enjoy these nails for up to the next 2 weeks. Now for me personally, when I follow all of these tips, my nails last for at least 2 weeks, and usually when I get to the 2-week mark, I'm kind of tired of them and ready for them to come off, and I have to physically remove them. I've honestly never had one of these nails pop off before. And that brings us to the very last step, how to remove these nails. So like I said, mine usually lasts for 2 weeks and don't pop off. So that means by the time I'm ready to move on to another set of nails or paint my nails again, I have to physically remove them from my nails. The best way that I have found to remove these nails is by using the orange wood stick that they provide you in the package. I've found that if I try to put my finger underneath the nails, it's really hard for me to actually get them off. So what I do is I grab the orange wood stick and I push it up underneath the nail, starting at my cuticle area, and then continue to push it forward. That way I'm slowly prying off the adhesive and loosening it. That way I can take the whole entire nail off. Whenever I remove them this way, they come off pretty easily, and I haven't had any issues with damage to my natural nails. If you want an in-depth review of these press-on nails, click right here for my original Impress Nails review video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.